We are at Cape Fynbos, which is the southernmost part of Africa Rocks, our new expansion, and we are at the penguin exhibit.
And so talk to me about how significant it is that this exhibit is opening up after 2 years.
Yeah, this is a great step forward. We're so proud to be able to be the first part of the entire Africa Rocks area to open up, be able to show off our penguins. We have these guys here with the specific purpose of breeding them for conservation initiatives in the future. So we're so happy. It's a brand new exhibit. It's one of the largest penguin pools of its kind. And what's so unique about it is the penguins actually have roommates that are leopard sharks.
And how does that work out to have them sharing the space?
Well, you know, there's always concerns when you introduce two species that haven't lived together before. So there was a little bit of concern, we wanted to make sure that they got along really well. The penguins are not afraid of the sharks. The sharks don't eat the penguins, so that wasn't the big concern. It was just, we wanted to make sure that they were peacefully coexisting and they both use both sides of our gigantically large pool.
And there's a conservation element to this as well. Can you talk about just the fact that they're a threatened species?
Yes, our scientists have noticed that their numbers have decreased dramatically since the year 2000. They have lots of challenges in their natural environment. One of them is that areas that they normally nest in is harvested and used as fertilizer, so they can't burrow underground in safe burrows anymore. Another challenge that they have is that their food sources are being overfished in that area, so they'll eat a natural diet of anchovies and sardines, and the fisheries down there are very active. We've seen that their numbers have decreased dramatically down to 23,000 breeding pairs, down from nearly 100,000 in the year 2000. So there's lots of challenges that they're facing in the wild populations, and San Diego Zoo is part of a global initiative to increase numbers in zoos in the case that we may need to supplement their wild population numbers in the future.
So obviously the penguins have a special place in your heart, but can you tell us about some of the other animals that will make up Africa Rocks?
Absolutely. We have 8 acres worth of exhibitry to open up in the future. We have 6 different bioclimatic zones that are going to be represented in Africa Rocks. Those zones are going to be filled with animals like vervet monkeys, hamadryas baboons. There's going to be an exhibit with different types of lemurs. Our next exhibit to open is a dwarf crocodile. We've just got honey badgers and fossa. So this area is going to be highlighting lesser known species in Africa. Everyone knows about the flagship species, the elephants, the giraffes, the rhinos. We're concentrating on the smaller, lesser known animals of Africa.